Animal Land Part 2. So they're planning on meeting me on the top of this building. Well, I think I should take the elevator up. I'm here. I'm here, guys. Hello, Mayor. Oh, hi, Government of BC. What are you doing? We were all planning on doing something. Oh yeah, and I'm not the mayor of BC. I'm not the government of BC, idiot. Someone else is. I'm someone else, okay? What are all you guys doing? We're planning on killing you. Shh, don't tell them. Ow! What are you doing? Mayor,
we have to do this to you. All of a sudden, we're sick of your stupid rules.
Wait, what? Yeah, but I'm just coming up with rules so this city can be safe. Rules are here for a reason, you know. And it's not my fault that I was hired for it. I'm just the perfect enough person for it.
Well, too bad. Owl.
What?
Kick him off.
Yes, Master. No, what? No. I thought we had a deal. I'm sorry we have to do this to you. We must. It has to be done. No, please, you can't.